Right, so you may have a John Lewis Electrolux or an AEG type condenser dryer like this, and this is referring to the 2007, 2006, 2007 models onwards to around 2012, 13. To activate the child lock, you'll notice that the child lock is there. To activate it, push and hold the two buttons. And it's the first two buttons, doesn't matter what they say, it's just the first two buttons on any of the AEG, Electrolux or John Lewis dryers. Press and hold. And in the display here, you'll notice a... Come on. I'm getting a bit closer. You may be able to see. There's a little lock light, little lock icon on here. You may not be able to see it in this camera. Right. Now with that activated, you can't change any of the buttons. And if you continue to press the buttons, blah blah blah, the lock icon will flash on the display here. Also, if you turn off the machine to the off position, like so, and then turn it back on to any position, it will continue its own cycle. Oh no. Turn it back to where the cycle's on. Press and hold the child lock button to deactivate it until the lock icon goes off again. You'll now be able to press start. The machine will resume from when it last went off. If you turn off the machine without the child lock on, the whole machine will reset the program. And also with the child lock not on, you can still select the options. Such as you can select the alarm, or you can select the start stop button. But with it activated, you can't activate any of the other options at all. So there you are. That's how to activate and deactivate your child lock on your John Lewis AEG Electrolux dryer. So, to sum up, to activate, you press and hold these first two buttons for around 6 to 7 seconds. Nothing upgrades. And to deactivate the child lock, simply press and hold the first two buttons for around 6 to 7 seconds to deactivate. Okay, this has helped you. Thanks for watching.